Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Halima Panchayati. Today, we are talking about the residency group project, which is presented by our team members. My team members are Mr. Dennis, Mr. Karthik, and Mr. And welcome to our presentation on project risk management. Our case study has been Have You Seen My Bulldozer? Illustrated the critical importance of integrating risk and quality process for project success. We will explore this through the experience of Greg, a project manager at a mining company. We'll go to the next slide, which is introduction to the case study. Jim is a project manager working on an open pit mine project. It is during a celebratory event marking the completion of the first phase of a new road, a multi-million-dollar bulldozer unexpectedly sank into an unmarked musket project. This incident highlights the necessity of proper risk and quality management. It will be what happened to the bulldozer. As the bulldozer drove through the ribbon to initiate the next phase, it began to sink into the ground. Despite attempts to retrieve it, including using sonar and drag lines, the bulldozer was lost. This led to the significant financial and reputational impact on this project. The next slide will be analysis of the incident. From here, my friend and my team member, Mr. Davis, will be continuing the project. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Horacio, and I'm going to show the analysis of the incident. Jill faced several critical questions. What caused the bulldozer to sink? How could this have been avoided? And how can the impact on the project mitigation? Investigation revealed that the geological errors were made where soil samples were taken but not tested properly. Now I'm going to show the failures in the risk management. The incident was a result of lapses in risk management. Despite having a risk management plan, the lead geological engineer negligence to perform core tests on soil samples, relying instead on a visual inspection from the helicopter. Other important item is the failure in the quality management. Similarly, there were failures in the quality management. The quality plan addressed potential risks, but it was not executed correctly. This oversight overload the bulldozer to sink, demonstrating the critical need for thorough and integrated quality process.
Hey everyone, this is Karthik. Now I'm going to explain about the immediate solutions. So, Jill took steps to mitigate the impact of the situation. She consulted the experts for the sort of advice from the industry experts to retrieve the bulldozer that had been critical to the project progress. This ensured that the equipment was safely and effectively recovered, minimizing the further delays. Jill maintained open and honest communication with all the stakeholders, including the team members, clients, and the suppliers. She provided timely updates on the situation, outlining the steps of being taken to resolve it, and managed expectations regarding the potential impacts on the project's timeline and the budget. Despite of all these effects, the damage to the project timeline and the budget was significantly high, highlighting the need for the both immediate and long-term solution. So for the long-term solutions to prevent the similar situations arising from in the future, Jill and her team decided to implement a series of long-term strategy focusing on the risk management and the quality and assurance, rigorous execution of the risk and the quality management plans. Jill emphasized the importance of the strict adhering to detailed risk, quality, and management plans. This includes regular audits, conducting a frequent audits to ensure that all the aspects of the projects are proceeding according to the plan, that any potential issues are identified and addressed promptly. Comprehensive testing. Implementing thoroughly testing procedures to verify all the project components meet the requirement standards and specifications before proceeding the next phase. For fostering a culture of accountability, Jill encouraged a work environment where every team member is accountable for their actions. It's involved clear defining the roles and responsibility to ensure that everyone understood their part in the project success and promoting open communication and feedback to address the issues proactively. Now, coming to the next slide for the managing internal versus external projects. So for the internal projects, we have the flexibility where internal projects often allow for a greater flexibility in terms of project management and decision making. Teams can adjust process and timeliness needed without any constraint of external contributing obligations. Less analysis. Due to nature of the internal projects, there may be less analysis and documentation required compared to the external projects. For the external projects, rigid adherences to the standards. Projects, on the other hand, required a strict adherence to establish the standards of the protocols. This is due to the obligations and the expectations set forth by the external clients. Compliance. Ensuring the compliance with all the contractual terms, industrial standards, and regulations requirement is a paramount in the managing the external projects. And the next lesson are continued by the Poonam. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Poonam, and my topic is about project risk and management. A learning integration. Integration risk and quality process is a continuous learning process. Utilize resources like PMI's Navigating Complexity Guide and Hirschi Managing Complex Project. These resources provide valuable insights and frameworks. The far as I got to the conclusion that have you seen my bulldozer case study underscore the importance of integrating risk and quality process in project management. Proper execution of this process can prevent costly mistake and ensure project success. And lastly, thank you.